5 best free dialer apps for Android. So the first app is you just need to open up your Play Store and you need to search for ACR phone. So once you've searched here, you will have this ACR phone application. So this is the best application or this is the best free dialer application for your Androids. You will have this kind of interface. You will have the recording option. You will have the speaker, keypad, mute, hold, note, and add call options. So you can simply have the dark theme under this application. You will have these kind of settings. You will have all of these settings from where you can set your color. So this is the first application and it's the best application. And the second application is which we already know. I think many people know this application, which is Truecaller application. So Truecaller application is already installed in my device. So it's the best application. It will already alert you if you have any spam calls, and you can say goodbye to spam calls forever because it will already inform you that it's a spam call. And you can also identify the calls with Truecaller. You can simply search for a number, a particular number, and you can have the caller ID of that person. And you can identify the verified business, and you can identify the priority calls from the business, and you can search for the numbers in the application, and you can have your inbox. Your inbox will be organized and free from spams, and all of your highlights will be in one place. You can stay connected with Truecaller on your web also. So this is also the best application for dialer. And the third application is phone dialer and contacts Droop. So once you've searched for Droop, you will have this phone dialer and contacts Droop. So this is also the best application for a free dialer. So you will have all-in-one features in this. You can add gifts to your calls, and it is also with a caller ID. So now it is also giving the caller ID options. You can include a call recording. So this also includes a call recording option. You will have an option of drive mode with maximum safety, which is a new option, and you will have one contact with many applications. You can drag the dots to launch. You can also set the theme. So you can set the theme with these colors. You will have all of these colors. So this is also the best application for your dialer. And the fourth application is Phone by Google. So I have this Phone by Google application installed in my device. So this is also the best application. So it has all of the features, like you can simply have the spam warnings, and you can see who's calling with a caller ID, and you can have the call reason, and you can also have the screen unknown calls to learn more before answering, and you can wait and hold so that you can go back to your day, and you can also record your call to reference the details later, and you can also make video calls from this application. You can have the face-to-face chat from this application while online, and you can also have the visual voicemail to view and play messages. You will have all of these features. So this is also the best application with the free dialing. And the fifth application and the last application is Simple Dialer. So you will have the Simple Dialer, which is the fifth application. This is also the best application for dialers. You will have this kind of interface, and it is a simple dialer. You can navigate easily, and you will also have the various theme options. You can customize the colors, and it's just simple and easy to use. So these were the 5 best free dialer applications for your Android, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.